At least 17 Palestinians were killed and dozens wounded on Saturday in an Israeli strike in the Gaza town of Zawayda, according to health officials. The strike comes as Israel issued new evacuation orders, citing Hamas rocket fire nearby. Abu Ahmed Hassan is a neighbor and witness who spoke to Reuters afterwards, saying, "They were asleep in their beds. There were kids and babies. Then 3 missiles targeted their place. The place is obvious and known. It's known that Abu Jawad is a fish and meat merchant. If they target merchants, what about other people?" Most of the people killed in the strike were from the same family and included 8 children and 4 women, according to health officials. In response, the Israeli military said it had struck militant targets in an area from which rockets had been fired at its troops, adding that the incident was under review. Separately in New Seyrat, cameras captured the moment an Israeli strike hit a residential building, as a man and child ran for cover. After the blast, Palestinians could be seen carrying the injured from the blaze in the central Gaza Strip, with some attempting to put out the flames with buckets of water. Most of Gaza's 2.3 million population has been displaced by the 10-month-old Israeli offensive. The conflict began on October 7th, when Hamas fighters rampaged into Israel, killing around 1,200 people and seizing around 250 hostages, according to Israeli tallies. Israel's subsequent military campaign has reduced much of Gaza to rubble and killed more than 40,000 Palestinians, mostly civilians, according to Palestinian health authorities. Ceasefire talks in Doha, mediated by the United States, Qatar, and Egypt, paused on Friday with negotiators set to meet again next week. Israel's negotiating team on Saturday expressed cautious optimism on the possibility of advancing a deal, according to a statement from Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office.